Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my virtual classroom, MKA Classroom. Now let's start today's video tutorial.
Expenditure. The public expenditure has been classified into revenue and capital expenditure. Revenue expenditure is current expenditure. Revenue expenditure is current expenditure. So what is current expenditure? The administrative and maintenance expenditures which is maturity is less than 1. This expenditure is of a recurring type, while capital expenditure is one of the capital nature, is incurred once for all. So revenue expenditure is done again and again as like administrative or maintenance expenditure, but capital expenditure is done for one for over as like establish industry. That is the capital expenditure. Whenever you establish industries, you need to know further capital expenditure, then you need the revenue expenditure. So it is a non-recurring expenditure. That means here it is no need any kind of expenditure. That is expenditure in building multi-purpose projects, or one setting up big factories like steel plants, money spent on land, machinery or equipment. So that's are the capital expenditure. So here we are seeing that revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. So at a nutshell, we see that revenue expenditure is current expenditure, and current expenditure is recurring expenditure. That means it is happen again and again, and it needs expenditures every time. Where capital expenditure, it is once for all. Whenever you establish a plant or steel plant or any kind of big budgeted expenditure, then it is for one time. Now we will see development and non-development expenditure. Development expenditure and non-development expenditure. Non-development expenditure. So again, public expenditures are two types. One is development expenditure, another is non-development expenditure. Money is spent on the maintenance of internal security, law and order, as like the police, jail, judiciary, and money is spent on the army to provide defense against the aggression, is generally regarded as non-development expenditure. That means by this expenditures, government has no possibility for getting any kind of return. That's why that is the non-development expenditures. Non-development expenditures, because here has no opportunity for the government for getting any kind of benefit. That's why it is the non-development expenditures. On the other hand, development expenditure includes expenditure on irrigation projects, rail, road, transport, expenditure on agriculture, industrial development, and so on. Because here is the opportunity for getting revenue by these projects, as like irrigation projects. Government has a possibility to earn rail project or road and transport project. So a rail project, we are going to Dhaka by the railway. Government has the possibility of earnings by our ticket. Expenditure on the agriculture, industrial development. So these are the development expenditures. So even expenditures on the education and research is also regarded as development expenditures. Because you may have a questions why research and research or education has the development expenditure. Because by the research, education and research, there has a possibility to develop in agriculture or in industry sectors, can develop the project, can develop the new product by the government. So that's also called the development expenditures.
This all about today. Stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.